What's one of the biggest things that can cause downtime for a driver on the road? Not draining your air tanks and not checking your brakes. If you don't drain your air tanks, rust will build up in your air system. The air compressor, by design, pulls in oil from the engine, which leaves behind a bit of oil residue. Over time, that contamination builds up inside your system. You may be asking, why is that such a problem? That contamination doesn't just stay in the air tanks. It can affect your automatic transmission too. And let's face it, most drivers today can't drive a standard. And even if you wanted one, manuals aren't common anymore unless you specially order them. So if your system gets contaminated, it could damage your transmission and put you out of service.